Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to our new vlog, the fifth vlog and our fifth day in Cape Town. So we started the day pretty late. It's almost 8:30 and I just woke up. This is my cabinet kitchen, you can see in the background. I've never seen something like this before. It's a cabinet kitchen. This is really cool. So I'll make some coffee and then I'll make some breakfast for both of us. And after that we'll freshen up, get ready and head out. So by the time my coffee is getting ready, just look at the view outside from the balcony. It's a beautiful sunny morning. The Table Mountain is right there. This is the Table Mountain and this is the beach. Good morning, Riju.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
Cheers to a sunny morning
Thanks, Vijay.
after 2 days of continuous cloud. Riju has already started. I have made scrambled eggs and toasted breads. That's mine. Bon appetit. Alright, so we are set for the day. We got ready and Riju is locking up the door. Now we have a plan to go to the beach first. Yeah, the beach at the background, which you can see. We'll be going there, chilling out a bit, and then let's see where we can go. So for now, let's go to the beach. So the beach is right opposite to our apartment. It just took hardly 20 seconds to reach the beach. So that's the apartment in which we are staying right now. This is our apartment. And this is the Sunset Beach.
Can we go to that between the two rocks and sit?
Okay.
Or should we sit here only?
No, it's fine. Let's go. So right far away you can see the Cape Town city and the Table Mountains. This location is gorgeous.
Okay, it's windy, but I think we have found our perfect spot. The sun is showing up. The amazing view. I think we'll spend a couple of hours here. Pooja, you're enjoying? This is relaxing?
Yeah, I'm only disappointed because I packed so many swimwear, but I'm not able to wear those. It's so cold. I've never wore sweaters and jackets on a beach, you know. Like, this is really disappointing for me.
So we do suggest that if you're coming here to Cape Town, do spend a day by the beach, probably on this side, so that you get a gorgeous view of the Table Mountain like this.
So we have spent good couple of hours at Sunset Beach and now we are heading to
now we are heading to Cape Mountains. So ideally we would have liked to hike and would suggest hiking the Cape Mountains, either the Signal Hill or the Lion Head. But we decided to actually take our car because my leg, I have a ligament here. So avoiding all the hikings right now. So we'd be taking our car to Signal Hill top, and later we'll take the cable car to go on the top of the Cable Mountains. So let's go.
So first now we're going to
Signal
Signal
Hill.
Hill. Yeah, we're going to Signal Hill. So let's go to Signal Hill and see the view from there. So apart from all the tourist attractions and viewpoint, the driveways are really good. Like, we are really enjoying the driveways. It's beautiful.
So on the way to Signal Hill, we again stopped by this place called Maiden's Cove, which gives a postcard view of Cape Town. It looks gorgeous today with the sun out. That's the Camps Bay area where we were staying earlier. What a view this is.
So even the other day we were discussing about it, like, we are really finding it hard to portray everything in a single frame. It's like you see and you believe the beauty of Cape Town. So from Sunset Beach, it almost took us 30 minutes to reach Signal Hill. But in between, we made a stop over at Maiden's Cove viewpoint. And this is the Signal Hill. The climb is a little bit stiff, so we would recommend you hire a automatic car here rather a manual one. And that's the beautiful Cape Town you can see from the top. Absolutely a pleasant view from Signal Hill. That's the ocean view. From here you get both the ocean view and city view as well. It's beautiful. We reached the top of Signal Hill and unfortunately it started to rain. So we are waiting in the car and hoping the rain should stop soon.
So I've got the hot chocolate. There is a
Truck cafe
truck cafe here, right on top of Signal Hill.
which only sells beverages and ice creams. But we got hot chocolate for both of us. We got one, but probably we'll share.
Yeah.
And once the rain stops, we'll go out and get some proper pictures and videos.
I think it's clearing up. Yeah.
So okay, let's finish our hot chocolate first and then go out. So in this weather, hot chocolate doesn't hurt. So in less than 10 minutes the rain stopped. The weather is very unpredictable here. One moment it rains and the next the sun is so bright. So this is the top point of Signal Hill. And that's the view. One side it has the ocean view. And there are also small hiking trails. Probably we won't be going because it's not recommended for Riju to walk that long because of his knee. And I'll show you the other side of the hill. So this is the city view. This hill right over there is called the Lion's Head. And you can see there are so many people who has come for picnic and day trips. So if you have time, do visit this place.
Yeah, it's absolutely free. First of all, you can just take your car and come here. There is no parking fee or anything that you have to pay or entrance fee. It's still under Table Mountain National Park, but there is no entrance fee.
Really nice view.
Really nice view. Okay, so we spent an hour here just lazing around, clicking some pictures and making some videos. Absolutely awesome views from the top. Now we are going. Can you see that mountain? Okay, so we'll go on top of that. We'll take a cable car and we'll go there. So for the cable car, I have already booked it online. So to avoid any rush during this COVID times or else also. So it's suggested you buy it online. So if you buy it online from the morning period, which is from 8:30 to 1 o'clock, the charges are per person 380 rands. And if you're booking from 1 to the evening, which is around 5 o'clock, the charges are 300 rand per person. So we have already booked it online. Now we'll just go there, take the cable car and go on top.
That mountain, can you see that mountain?
Again, you can still hike and go on the top. It's recommended that actually one way you hike up and one way you take the cable car for both the experiences. We probably would be taking cable car both the ways.
If you love to hike, then definitely it's recommended. But with Riju situation, I don't think so. It's possible for us to hike till there.
Yeah. So let's see on the way if we can find something to munch because we are slightly hungry. So we'll see on the top.
You are slightly hungry. I'm really hungry.
So we'll see on the top also if there is something. We'll just ask around. If there is something at the top, then we'll prefer having it from there. But let's go for now. We'll just, I think, 5-10 minutes car drive and we should be able to reach that place.
That mountain, here we come. In less than 5 minutes.
Some touch-up doesn't hurt.
So out of all the 12 apostles, this is the Table Mountain. Because you can see the top of the mountain is like a table. So we just came down from Signal Hill, and at the bottom of it we found this cute little food caravan. From here we'll be collecting our lunch. What did we order, Riju?
So we have ordered some chicken mayo sandwich.
Great.
And have you told this is actually Lion's Head and the hiking starts from here. It normally takes 2 hours to reach the top.
Okay, so this is the Lion's Head mountain, and this is the hiking trail, which almost takes 2 hours to reach. So previously we also thought of going for this hike, but with Riju's situation it's not recommended. So this is multigrain bread and chicken mayo sandwich.
We're pretty flexible when it comes to eating while traveling. We are not fussy at all and actually enjoy this kind of small cafes and more than roadside shops, more than fine dining. Yeah, we love that as well. But yeah, at times we do prefer this.
It's really nice. So this is our lunch. So we parked our car and there are 2 queues, one with tickets and one without tickets. We already have our tickets, so we'll just go and check out the other formalities. Alright, so we reached the Table Mountain cableway. So hopefully there is no queue today. We entered the lift and going to the 5th floor, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Table Mountain is also one of the new 7 wonders of the world. So you have one in Amazon, one is in Argentina, Brazil, which is Iguazu Falls. One is Table Mountains, the third one in South Africa where we are. We have one in Vietnam, in Halong Bay. One in Komodo, Indonesia. In Philippines you have Puerto Princesa, and in South Korea you have Jeju Island. So these are called the new 7 wonders of nature.
So we are waiting for a cable car to arrive, and then probably we'll go to the tabletop. So that's the cable car coming down for us. So for tickets, if you are wondering, we did an online purchase, but if you don't have an online ticket, you can directly come here to the walk-in counter and get your tickets from there directly. Alright, in less than 5 minutes we came to the top, which is 1067 meters.
Wow, look at the view.
Amazing. So at one end you get the view of the ocean, and from the other you get the view of the city. And a bit of ocean too.
The world looks beautiful from top.
So every corner has different views, and these are so surreal. And we are really confused which corner to capture and what to leave. I'm really confused whether it's South Africa or it's Antarctica. It's chilling.
So, but glad that you got all those because it's really cold here.
Also, there is a souvenir shop. It says shop at the top. Nice name. And a restaurant where you can come and munch in. It's freezing, man. I'm really finding it difficult to talk even. So we didn't leave any corner to click pictures and shoot videos. Now we are heading back to base. My lips are freezing, I can't even talk.
So there is also a cafeteria which has an awesome view from the top. So if you're here and didn't have your lunch, probably you can spend some
good
time
amount
here.
of time, in the cafeteria
and
itself.
Enjoy some snacks with awesome view. But we had our lunch, so that's why we decided to skip it. It's really cold. I really want to get down. I have forgotten my gloves. That's in the car. I don't know. I got it. I forgot to keep it in this bag.
My lips are frozen now. I can't even speak. Okay, now we're heading towards the cable car, and then we'll wait for the cable car to take us back to the base. But it was a lovely experience coming to the Table Mountain and getting the view of the city from the top. Amazing. Guys, if you're in Cape Town, don't miss this. So we are back to the gate, now waiting for the cable cars. He's wearing his mask. I'll wear mine too. So let's see if I can get something. So our cable car is already approaching. We'll get in and then head back to the base. Alright, so we are back on land. The last cable car comes down at 4:30. So if you miss your cable car,
If you miss it, you have to hike down all the
you have to hike down all the way from that mountain top to the ground. Choice is yours. So from Table Mountain we directly came to Camps Bay. You can see the lion's head at the back. We came here to see the sunset. It's 5:30 now and the sunset is almost happening. We got our own sheet. We laid it on the sand and relaxing a bit. Our feet are really tired now. So we'll chill here for a bit.
Yeah, we have
Until
heard about
sunset.
Cape Town sunset. So we want to see the sun setting and giving it the hues on the Table Mountain in the background. The 12 apostles we can see over Camps Bay. So we want to see that.
So yeah,
And post that hopefully we'll head out
for dinner.
for dinner.
So,
So
yeah.
Pooja doesn't want to cook today. We had initially thought
No,
that
we got breads and tuna. We thought that I especially thought that I'll make
We'll
some
have
tuna
that.
sandwich. But I'm not in the mood right now because
Because-
my feet really hurts. I'm really tired.
not because of only that, because we had sandwich during lunch. So let's have something else. Probably we will go to the waterfront. Maybe we'll see where we go and we'll let you know.
Yeah, in fact there are a lot of restaurants here.
Right now, right here only.
Right here itself.
I can see Hard Rock Cafe and a lot of things.
So probably depends on our mood. We might go there or head to waterfront. Let's see. So yeah, for now, let's see the sunset. So the sun is finally set. And now we are really hungry, so thinking we'll go there in any of the restaurants nearby and eat some food. Probably we are not in a mood to go to the waterfront again. So Riju, we can eat food here, right? So yeah, we can go for dinner now. So as I mentioned, we decided not to go to the waterfront and rather staying at the promenade. We came to a very good restaurant and ordered some wine and pizza for us for dinner.
I think this looks good. The name of the place is Surfer Shack, which is right on Camps Bay Beach. So you can definitely give it a try. So we'll taste it and let you know how good it is.
Yeah, the pizza looks really awesome.
Cheers, Pooja. Cheers. So I think that's it for today. So we'll finish our drinks and the pizza, and post that we'll head back to our place in Sunset Beach.
And probably
That could be-
we'll sleep early today because we are feeling really tired.
So today is our last evening in Cape Town, and tomorrow we'll head out to a new place. So we'll just go back, just relax and sleep.
So that's it guys from today's vlog. Hope you like it, and if you have liked it, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell ting ting ting, so whenever we post new videos you get notified. So for now, good night.
Good night.